Okie dokie, welcome back to me rating my old artwork. So, we're going to be looking at composition, lighting, materials, performance, and cinematics. Essentially, we are looking for any details, we are looking for anything that is made well, and anything that is made pretty badly. The further that I go through this kind of series, if you will, the more that I'm kind of seeing a little bit more texture and a little bit more work put into the initial projects that I'm doing. So today is called The Horseman. And this is one of the biggest projects that I did way back when for Halloween. Obviously, it's not Halloween right now, but I thought I would show it you regardless because it is in the listings. So, yeah, we'll go ahead with this and we'll see how this pans out. Also, I'm rating my work 1 to 5, 5 being the best and 1 being mediocre. So, yeah, please write in the comments section what you think that this one would rate as. Loving the music, digging it. So I believe that this is the beginning of the horse. You guys are welcome to watch the entire thing if you want to. The link is in the description as well if I didn't mention that. Do you like it when I dance? Yes. Alright, we're going to go ahead and Moses over. So we got this very basic horse coming through right here. If I was presented this on a project just as is, I would say that this is a 1 rating and a minus at that. Let's see how this goes, huh? Let's go ahead and Moses this on a little bit more. So now we have this nice little horse. Some of the muscles and texture in there. Obviously there's no tail at the moment. Yeah, I kind of like this. I like how it's got hooves as well. These hooves are amazing. Nice little nose. Alright, so I think this bit is the saddle bit. It's a very basic saddle for what it is, but to be honest with you, that is a nice horse. We came from this, going measuring the nose to the saddle, and then we came to, hang on, where is it? This. This is nice. I would definitely rate this 5 out of 5. I like it. This is nice. Shall we advance? So now we've got the person. This is going to be the Headless Horseman. I think the clothes on this are quite basic, to be honest with you, but then of course we have to sit the horseman to the horse. we have a naked person on a horse. Naked. Oh, that's awkward. I'm glad that I'm putting pants on him. Alright, we got pants. That's cool. And then if we advance right here, we've got this nice little top on there, and we've got the where the pumpkin's going to sit, which is really cool. Sorry if anyone's got problems with flashing and stuff. Alright, the pumpkin's coming in now. This is cool already. I think that the hair on the horse is a little bit too mullety. It's good. It's good. And then we've got a stirrup. We've got a rogue stirrup here. Oh, okay. I'm liking this. Cape, man. Cape. I just need to appreciate this cape. This is a beautiful cape coming through right here. Look at that. Yeah, if you guys wanna watch that, I'll put the link in the description. Yeah, I would rate this 5 out of 5. Put your ratings in the description if you are interested, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.